Politics Watch, this is Syrupy. No, it's finally happened. Devon Morris, aka Corey Goat Boss, has been arrested. It look like him luck finally run out. In case you're wondering who me I talk about, because I know nowadays these type of stories only last for about 3 days. Right, back in the day it was like 9 days, and them said 9-day story. Right. Now it was 3 days. Remember the church incident? Well, last year somebody talk about that. Exactly. But this case, Janice Ellison Reed, she was a lady who was once employed to the restaurant where Corey Goat Boss control. Right, she was supposed to get some money. I think it was 1.5 million. And right before she get the money, she lost her life. But at 87 Union Walker, who knew Janice, so time Una mouth say, him used to go beg her food and everything that she give him. Right. Played a role in the attack. And after the man them all upon him, he confessed on video. Said Corey Goat Boss responsible for what actually happened. Right. Tying back to the whole money and she's supposed to get her payout and all these things. Walker, well, the man eventually dash him. But due to the nature of the facts, say, one, Walker was under duress, because as you can imagine, forgetting to talk, them never did I give him a pillow treatment, right? Them never did wrap him in a cotton wool. Right? And on top of it, the man them who in the video, after them dash a Walker, them end up become wanted as well, because even though no matter what Walker do, in the eyes of the law, you can just go dash him away. And this end up backfire because the video that would have synced Corey Goat Boss, if the whole video come out, or at least will not sync but at least make it easier to bring a case against him, them never release it in full because it would have implicated them in the death of Walker. So at first, Corey Goat Boss, even though the police did bring him in and question him, them let him go. And for a while it seemed like say Corey Goat Boss they go get away completely, not even get locked up. But life of a stranger playing out, because you see, one of the individuals who took part in the Janice killing, let's just say he played a role that night. He played a specific role. That person ended up going on the next criminal operation. And this time, it didn't go according to plan. So when the police hold on upon the individual, you don't have to ask what happened next. And right now, Corey Goat Boss is in custody. So we just wait for you say him get charged or whatever the case may be. But the fact say police go hold on upon him, that means it's very likely they're going to charge him, because before them they just call him in for questioning. And people know how the law works. When police call you in for questioning, it's completely different from when time they go for you and lock you up. So them lock up Corey Goat Boss. But even after them lock him up, his wife and the police them end up trade words. Have a guess why? Because she go look at the police them and ask them if them don't know say Terrence Bent is her cousin. Yes, that Terrence Bent is the cousin of Corey Goat Boss's wife. So the whole heap of posturing, right, and chest sticking out and feeling like say I'm above the law and them have them links, and that's why when I did the first video I was saying I hope the police them to make links, cause them right to take them higher for the prize. So as it stands, so far we have to say well done to JCF. Right. But you see, back in the day, let me tell you about links. You have to understand, say back in the day, somebody like a Corey Goat Boss or a Beachy Stout, it was simply much easier for them get away with them foolishness. That is why Beachy Stout, the first wife case could just blow over because back then there was the whole Jamaica don't know what going on. Now when something happen, right? Information is out there, it's hard to hide. Right? Back in the day, only people who live in a community and live in a area might know your name called upon this and that. Now the whole Jamaica knows you, the fingers them are point pan, and you all the evidence them are point pan, and everybody see when Walker say Macquarie Goat Boss responds to the feet. So even if enough police want to help you, then can't help you. Right? Because the spotlight too bright and people go keep asking questions. What happened to the Janice Ellison Reid case? What happened to Beachy Stout first wife? What happened to the second wife? And even if some police they might say, well, I'm a bridging cousin and you know, eventually them have to go do them job because the spotlight has shined upon them. And they might say, alright, they don't know, so nobody not talk about it, and then the spotlight shine again and them have to. So, as I said, that's one of the main benefits to 2021. There are disadvantages, obviously, to social media and all them things there. But one of the clear advantages is that it have the ability to shine spotlight on people and force them right, to come out from the dark. Because 10-15 years ago, Beachy Stout first and second wife, Macquarie Goat Boss, all them cases, them just disappear. Right? They must disappear and never hear about them again. You know how much cases like this happen in Jamaica over the years? So, as I say, I can listen on for you what will happen next. But while I'm on the topic of one other, because, you know, one other man maybe get out Walker. Right now there's some tension brewing between one other and quote-unquote clans. What I mean by quote-unquote clans? If you haven't seen the video, go check it out. The old school clans versus one other issue where you probably know about and familiar is done and over. This is one other versus bedbugs. Right? It's not the clansman where you know with Tesha and Blackman. This is the bedbugs faction who broke off and do them own thing. Them not take no talk from Tesha, them not take no talk from Blackman. Right? There's a group of young 87s who them now are try make for them own a mark. At them and one other, the tension, everything right now. So much so that people start lose them life already, shots start fire. So right now, because historically, when things are bubbling at the surface, right, people are in the dark until it gets so bad that, you know, Spanish Town turn upside down. That can't happen again. So here what I go do. There was a video I was going to do, but I was putting it off because I was focusing on another case. But now that Messi say the one other and bedbugs thing about for bubble to the surface. Now that Messi say bedbugs, because I really them are the main troublemakers now. Them really are push the foolishness. Right. And a two set of man where two set of weapons, two set prepare to do this and prepare to do that. So it will get real ugly. So guess what? Tomorrow morning, I'm going to introduce you to another member of the bedbugs who right now is one of the main troublemakers. People them from River Valley. Right. They know about him, Waterloo, they know about him. Even from the one other side, them definitely know about him. I'm not gonna understand why. Right. So when anybody message me and ask me nothing, ask me the name on the body, just wait for the video tomorrow morning. He might go with too much things, he might keep up too much foolishness, right? And I will sit back idly and make them youth do, right? Where the generation before them have already done. We can't keep making the same mistakes over and over, right? Seeing that a bubble under the surface and it only get worse, a time for the spotlight shine over this. Spanish Town cannot go back to what it used to be. It simply cannot. Right, and just like how when things are bubbling under the surface between Tesha and Richie and look like it like a spill, Notice once the spotlight shine, you notice how that quiet down fast. Especially Richie no really want him problem there. Now me go see how bedbugs drop. And we go also get to see how the security forces deal with the situation. Right. So let's look out for that tomorrow morning. Before we finish the video, I want to talk about the story where a flight attendant make up story claim she come to Jamaica and man take her away and all kind of foolishness. I wonder if I realize how much message me get to cover that story. People send me all kind of messages and saying how they're hurting over the situation. Oh, Sir B, you have to cover this because as soon as I start asking the question, the story sound strange to me. I said, you know what, I'm not cover this because something not sound right. Something not sound right, it not add up. I'm going to follow my gut on that one. I'm just wait it out a little. People even get upset with me. Because them send email one time and I tell them, say, no, I wait this out, something look right. And send back email. Oh, me did think say, and me did wait, and very emotional. See, just like when the story about remember the story about the mother and the daughter, where they claim say man sent her to and she go police and police and remember when I didn't cover that story? Because just like then, as soon as I made the story, I said no, something wrong here, so something is not adding up right there, so follow me gut pan one. And next thing you know, the story come to bomb. I'm telling you something. Stop feed the trolls. Trolls want attention. Trolls want... You see, there's a reason why the kerosene is the most effective tool in the 87, 90 and 116 arsenal when it comes on to PR. Because when society hear that a woman is in distress, it naturally provokes people to act. So when people say woman get taken, everybody turn Iron Man, Superman, who not turn Superman, turn Batman, who not turn Batman, turn Robin. Man turn na Aquaman. Everybody ready to save the day. Just like with the story I said with the mother and the daughter. Everybody was so, just like then again, people get emotional and cuss and say, me think say yo, but no man realize say. See, that's why I don't get myself caught up in a lot of, I said it before, social media love is like monopoly money. So a lot of people who proclaim, oh, JP, you're the general, you're the boss. But. As soon as them send a topic to me and I say, no, I'm not sure about that. Then them show them real colors. Start telling what them yeah, see, me, that's why you feel. It's a joke. The story never makes sense from man and think about it. And let me tell you about people like that flight attendant. You see people like that? Even when them get catch, all them do a double down. Them start killing with the but. See, people need to take this thing serious enough. Because this woman, Kalina Collier, or Collier, she was willing to capitalize on the fact that Jamaica have a reputation for being a violent country. And she knew she would immediately gain sympathy and people would believe because, let's face it, it happened in Jamaica. It happened all too often. So when people that know them say, oh, well, it's another case. It's just like if you have a reputation for being a thief, man put all kind of thief in your name, all the time you thief it. People know say you're the local community thief now. And you thief 15 things already. A man will thief something and just throw it on your name too, and say, see it him. And people say, well, that don't like him for really call him a regular thief. But the true Jamaica have a bad reputation when it comes on to them things. She thought she would capitalize on it. But don't get your hopes up. I don't think this is going to be the last of that girl. People like her normally go down fighting. Because the damage is too great. The backlash she get is too great. And them kind of people, them are go down fighting. I go tell you, say, it's all a grand scheme, and then like police and every Jamaican come together just to set her up because she's so important. There had to be this great scheme for model her name, and there's like this everlasting plan put together just for she alone because she's that special. So trust me, she's not going anywhere. Yes, she's going to see. She's gonna fight this one out. But guess what? Miss Kalia or Kalina Kalia. We don't believe you. You need more people. Patreon squad. Be open yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Walter squad, stay circling. Bless.